welcome back. And joining us now from Húsavík, Iceland, is the president of the town council, Orli Orlísson. Hi, Orli.
Hi.
Orli, what a view.
You are looking at Húsavík, which is the setting of Eurovision Song Contest, the story of Fire Saga. And we'll see if the song named for our town will actually win an Oscar. Getting this film and getting this song really lifted everyone's spirit in this town. We never expected this to reach so far.
Rachel McAdams plays Sigrid in the film and sings in Icelandic.
She really liked her time in Húsavík. They even sort of felt like locals while they were here.
How is Húsavík's special performance at the Oscars going to blow us all away?
I mean, this is the first time that kids from Iceland take part in the Oscar ceremony. So the town painted the main street red. There will be fireworks in the town.
Is the Oscars basically a holiday for all of Húsavík?
The town has actually decided to close the schools in the morning, so kids can stay up late and watch with their parents. And companies in town have also decided to be closed on Monday, so everyone can really enjoy the moment.
Such an amazing story.
Good luck, Orli, and happy Oscars, Canada.
Where the northern lights